Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix the steps to take to fix a zoomed out screen in Windows. So how to fix a zoomed out screen in Windows. Now let's say your screen is zoomed out, mine isn't, but let's say it is. What do you do? The first thing you can do is to adjust the display settings. How? Open your settings and then from here click on display. So click on system first. So once you open system, then you click on display. Now this is the display. So from here you're going to check the scale and layout. Ensure the recommended scaling percentage is selected. So this is the resolution, scale under scale layout. Make sure this is 100%, which is recommended. If it's more than that, it's going to look like this. Can you see? It's kind of zoomed. So make sure it's recommended. And then you can also adjust resolution to the recommended one. So it's more recommended, so make sure it's the recommended one you're using. Then the next thing, that's the first step actually. The next step you can take is to disable magnifier. Now in case the magnifier is on, you have to disable it. So let's go back. Magnifier is usually found in ease of access or accessibility. So this is magnifier. Make sure it is turned off like this. Now another way to turn it off is by pressing the Windows key and the escape key. In case there's another key shortcut, you can use the Windows and the escape key instead of coming all the way here. Then the next thing you can do is to update your display driver. Yes, you can update your display driver by searching for this device manager in the start menu, opening it. Okay, let's go for the device manager. Then open it up. Then click on display adapters. So we're going to display adapter. This is it. Double click on it, and then the next thing I'm going to do is right click on update driver. So you right click on update driver and then follow the on-screen instruction until it's updated. Next thing you can do is to check for Windows updates. Check for Windows update. So we're going back to settings, go to updates and security, then you check for Windows updates. And then so you can see last check today. I've already checked mine, so you can check for Windows update by clicking on this. It's not going to be a retry, it's going to be check for this. So after doing that, install any available update. It's as simple as that. So once you've done that, you have to restart your computer so that to resolve temporary glitches. Restarting your computer sometimes is simple restart enough to resolve any form of glitches. Now, if this issue persists, then you can try a different monitor or display port. This can also help you to isolate whether the problem is with your monitor or your computer's graphics card. Monitor for those that are using those desktops. Then, next you can contact a computer manufacturer or a qualified technician for further assistance. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.